Hey everyone! Adobe Dreamweaver is a fantastic tool for web design or development. It allows you to build responsive websites visually or with code. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple process of downloading and installing it for free on your PC or Mac so you can start creating without any hassle. You can follow along step by step by clicking the link in the description to go directly to the official Adobe Dreamweaver trial page. Once you're on the page, click to start your free trial. Choose the individual plan to start your 7-day free Adobe trial. Want more value? Add Adobe stock for a bonus 7-day trial and 10 free assets, perfect for creative projects. With Adobe stock, you'll have access to a vast library of high-quality images, videos, and templates, enhancing the visual appeal of your web projects. Even if you cancel, you keep all 10. That's free content, no strings. Next, you'll need to sign in or create a free Adobe account. It only takes a minute. Adobe will also ask for a payment method, but your card won't be charged as long as you cancel before the trial ends. I highly recommend setting a reminder on your calendar or phone just to be safe. Once your trial is active, Adobe will prompt you to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. This app is your gateway to all Adobe products, allowing you to install and manage Dreamweaver and any other Adobe apps you try. Open Creative Cloud, search for Dreamweaver, click Install, and let it do its thing. Installation should only take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. And that's it! You now have Adobe Dreamweaver fully installed and ready to use for free for the next 7 days. Whether you're building websites with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or working in visual design mode, this is a great way to explore all the pro features without paying up front. Click the link in the description to start your free trial, and then follow the steps in this video. If this guide helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more simple how-tos like this, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future updates. Drop them in the comments if you have any questions. I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the following video.